Love it.
Dan Abrams here at the table. That means it's time for the jury's out. What do you have today, Dan?
We've got a lot of big topics today. Let's start first up with a new survey from Parents Magazine that found that 71% of parents think it's okay for kids to play with toy guns. Now, I'll tell you, as a kid, I played with cap guns, I played with water guns, and I think that I'm okay with my kid playing, for example, with water guns.
Yeah, I agree with
My
you
kids
on
have
that.
water guns.
Yeah.
Water guns.
No problem?
Not a big deal.
No.
I mean, I don't like the realistic AK-47s too much, but yeah,
Right.
water gun, that's
But a water
fine.
gun, yeah. I think everybody's
Let's,
done that.
social, Pat Talbot Jotkov says, I never let my kids have any type of toy guns, no squirt guns, no cap guns, no toys that represent a killing machine.
I understand that. I understand the feeling, but I think realistically, you know.
And a water gun's not a killing machine.
Stacey Ann Blank, it's all about parental involvement and guidance. Water guns can be a lot of fun. We all played with them, and most of us didn't grow up to be violent criminals. All right.
No debate here.
Not a lot of debate. Can I tell you, I actually wanted to swap that one out. All right, I'm just saying. But Alberto, we'll talk about that later. Next.